Hey, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Notion to n8n in under 2 minutes. Let's go! First of all, inside of n8n, click Add First Step and type Notion. Then click on any of these triggers or even actions. I'm just going to select the first one and then click Select Credential. Click on Create New Credential and you will see an internal integration secret. Copy this. After that, go to notion.so/profile/integrations and click on New Integration. Once you're there, give it a name. I will just call it n8n integration. Make sure the associated workspace is the one you're working with. For me, it's productive. You can add a logo, but you don't need to. And make sure the type is internal. And click on Save. Then you will have to click on Configure Integration Settings. And the most important part here is that you give the appropriate capabilities. In my case, it's going to be these ones. And you're also going to have to show and copy your internal integration secret. Once you have it, you can go back to n8n and paste that code in. Then click on Save. It will say that it has tested connection successfully. You might think that you're done now, but you will still have to connect a specific page to n8n. And the way you will do that is by clicking on the 3 dots and then Connections and then n8n integration. Once you click on that, you have to confirm that you give access to these capabilities. Confirm, and then now you will have access. So for example, if I have this page with all these child pages with days of the month, then I can search for any page which contains the number 1. And if we do that now, then I will get all the days containing a 1. So I've connected it now. I hope this video was useful to you. And if it was, please consider subscribing and liking the video as it helps me a lot. Thank you for watching and bye.